Hey guys, how you doing? So let's talk today about deep links. What is deep links and why it's important for your success and for conversion? If you don't use it, you're just burning money and traffic. And let me explain. So bridge page is the one you put on your profile, on Threads, on Instagram, whatever. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see. This one, right? So we can send them here to FunView directly. Some of the people use only FunView, some use to the Telegram channel as well, and some send to Cupidbot, okay? And some to like buy me a dinner or stuff like that, website that the fans can buy you like gifts or shit, so it also can work. So this page is really important because this is what leads the traffic, okay? First, we can track what's going through this link, so you can see countries, which is really important. You can also filter countries. Some of the deep links give you option to filter countries. So if you don't want garbage quality like terrible countries, so we can just filter it out, and then you get you left with good quality of audience, right? So this is also a benefit of that. So another benefit which is really important is what happened when they click on, let's say, on fan view. So if it's not a deep link, just regular link, so they're gonna stay in Instagram browser, okay? And why it's a problem? Because they will not be able to use their email. They will have to write it manually, and they have to remember the password and all that shit. It's just like new browser, new phone, okay? And it just say they will be lazy, say okay, fuck it, and they just move on. So you're losing so many people without having a deep link, okay? Another thing which is important, the credit card. If we send them to their normal browser, they will have access to their credit card. They can fill it like automatically because it's mostly safe because people shopping online, right? And this is just working way better. Let me show you a video here which will show you exactly what I mean. Let's watch together. So as you can see, right, this is the link. I'm pressing on the link, the hoo.b. All right. And then the bridge page is open. Okay. And then when I'm going to click on message me, for an example. Okay. So let's just show you the video. Okay. So it's open a new browser in the Safari. Let me show you again because I think you miss it. Okay. So you see now it's opening the bridge page. Now we click on message me and it's going to open Safari. So it's actually the browser that I'm using. Okay, and now I can sign up easily without a problem. If it was not a deep link, so I will have to put it myself. Okay, which is a problem. And yeah, so as you know, in marketing and in sales in general, the less steps to the purchase make it more simple and easier, and less choices, the higher chance the buyer will buy. Okay. Imagine you have so many colors and so many options to choose. You say, fuck it, I don't know what I want to choose, right? So we need to make the buyer the easier way to the credit card, let's say. All right, so we spoke about credit card, we spoke about Gmail, and of course it's build more trust. There are mostly like about 40 or 50, right? And when they enter and they see, oh, where is my email? Oh, where is my credit card? Like they say, okay, this is a scam. This is different browser. What the fuck is that? And they're gonna just I mean, your conversion will go 50% more if you use deep links, okay? And the investment here is so low. And if you're smart enough, you can find even free deep links. You just need to search. The best one in the market right now, these three, okay? So you have Get On My Links, which before had problems. But now you can use it with your customized link. And they also added more domains, so you can use that as well. What beautiful here, you can also filter out, as I said, the countries. And stay only with first world country, right? And how.b, this one is also very good, as you saw in this example, this guy using this one. And link.me, which is also very, very popular, and you can use that as well. Okay. And very important, why it's also good to use these ones, because if you have multiple accounts, so you can just create multiple links, deep links, and then use them. So you can track exactly what comes from each account. You can know which one perform better. Okay. And this is all you need. You need the statistics to actually grow this business. So check out, guys, this. I don't have any affiliate with them, but I will put down the links below. You can check out these Deeplinks. Using that, never use just the free one, because you're just losing clients, and you can understand why also from a client perspective, right? And that's it for this video. If you want to know more about AI OFM, you want to learn more and take it to the next level, I have free school, not free school, sorry. I have free Telegram down there. You can just click and watch my history, everything that I wrote. You can learn from it. If you want to pay a little bit and learn more in advance, I have the school. And if you want one-on-one and actually learn what actually working, all my systems, all my packages, automation, everything I have, I do have mentorship. I already said that in all my videos. So you can contact me on Telegram. This is everything for today. Please, if you have any question, feel free to comment down below on my video. And you can also reach out to me on Telegram. It's okay. Don't be shy. I'm going to answer. I love to help. And this is everything for today. And see you on the next video. Peace.